This event was meant to explore the nexus between the energy efficiency transition of the building sector.
It's critical that we complete the decarbonization of our building stock if we want to meet our climate targets.
We develop everything in digital, so it's like without digital tools we could not produce any of the things we do now.
If we don't, the rest of the architects don't, or designers don't step up, they will die, because this is the future and we have to be all in.
We have to change, let's say, the profile of workers in the construction sector.
The industrialization of the construction process, for me, is the future.
The issue is digital construction is not taught in architectural schools. So how can we ensure that the next generation will ever know about this?
We need to attract the younger generation to come into the construction industry, to make it attractive, so digital is a way forward.
The university can also, for example, take advantages of the outcome of this, saving energy, saving time, saving emissions and money as well.
Students are hungry to be interacting with us, but they don't have the pathway to us unless we provide it.
Remember, today we're building and renovating those buildings that will be there for another 50 years.
All professions involved are going to learn from each other.
I think the first thing is communication at all levels.
We are implementing the Build Up Skills initiative, and this initiative is really a great vehicle to bring together all the key stakeholders active either in the educational sector, the energy sector, or the construction sector, to speak together, to try to find a common language and to try to identify the main barriers, the skills gap, and find solutions.
I hope the Build Up Skills initiative will continue to 2030, because the coming 12 years will be fantastically floor for learning from each other.